So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use constant lines of analytics pane in Power BI. For this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset, and in the report pane, I have already made one bar chart which represents sales by subcategory. Now let's say we want to find out which all subcategory has generated sales greater than 0.3 million. So in order to do this, what I will do is I will generate one constant line at 0.3 million, and all the bars which are exceeding that line, they are basically generating sales greater than 0.3 million. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, select this visual, and in the visualization area we have one option known as analytics. Over here, just click on constant line, click on add, and we need to give value. So over here I want the constant line at 0.3 million, and as you guys can see, we have successfully added one constant line at 0.3 million. Let's change the color of this line, let's say this one, and using this line we can easily find out subcategory like copiers, bookcases, phones and storage. This four subcategory has generated sales greater than 0.3 million. So in this way we can add constant line to our visual. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.